If you've been around blockchain for a while, then you know that Ethereum can be slow and absurdly expensive when the network gets busy. And Avalanche was launched as one of the original Ethereum competitors. Transactions are cheap, they're lightning fast, and so the ecosystem is attracting some of the best game developers in the industry. Avalanche is quickly becoming a hub for blockchain-based games, and the community in Avalanche is strong. There's a huge DAO focused on bringing new developers into the ecosystem, and in addition to that, the state of California launched 42 million car titles on the Avalanche blockchain just a few weeks ago. So every time a car is bought or sold in the state of California, that title is going to move on the Avalanche blockchain. That should create demand for the AVAX token and apply some upward price pressure. And staking the AVAX token helps to keep the network secure and can provide you with a little portfolio income. But not everyone wants to lock up their tokens when they stake. And that's where liquid staking comes in. And today we're going to show you how to liquid stake your AVAX tokens using the Metamask browser extension. Liquid staking is great because you not only earn AVAX staking rewards, but you receive the sAVAX as your receipt, so to speak, and you can lend sAVAX tokens out to DeFi protocols and earn extra yield on your already staked AVAX tokens. But liquid staking does carry extra risk, and in this case, it's with the Benqi platform, and there could be governance takeovers. The sAVAX token could lose its peg dramatically. There could be a hack. So we recommend people never keep more than 25% of any portfolio in liquid staking derivatives. We are Atlas Staking. We're one of the Avalanche validators and run infrastructure that helps keep the blockchain secure. And what you're looking at right here is our validator page on Avascan. And you can also learn more about us at our website, which is atlas-staking.com. And this staking tutorial is also available on our blog, and so we will leave a link to that article down below. If you haven't already installed Metamask, be sure to do so by navigating to their official website, which is metamask.io, and right there on the homepage, you can either download the extension for Brave or Chrome, or click that download button up in the top banner, and it'll take you to the mobile app download link as well. Never search for a crypto wallet or really any financial app by just typing the name of the wallet into the App Store or Play Store and searching for it that way, because scammers can get their fake wallets into the App Store. And if you fall for a scam wallet and you get your assets drained, Apple and Google are not going to reimburse you. So be smart about it and just go to the official website and then connect to the App Store via the website. All right, so let's get down to business. If you don't already know Benqi's web address, it's staking.benqi.fi. And then once you land on the homepage, click that button on the left toolbar that says Liquid Staking. A pop-up then appears and you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. So go ahead and select Metamask. And if this is your first time connecting to Benqi, a Metamask pop-up will appear and you'll have to click Confirm to confirm the connection to the Benqi platform. Once your wallet is connected to the platform, you'll notice up top you can either stake or unstake and toggle that little switch. Obviously, we're going to stake for this tutorial. So go ahead and enter the number of AVAX tokens that you would like to liquid stake, and then click that button that says Stake. A wallet window will pop up from Metamask. Go ahead and click Confirm. And within a second or two, you did it. Your AVAX is liquid staked. It seriously couldn't be any easier. Metamask then detects the new token on chain, and it'll ask if you want to add the sAVAX visibility to your wallet. So click Add Token, and you'll then see your sAVAX position in your Metamask wallet. It's a good idea to keep track of your crypto transactions. And if you live in the United States, you will owe income taxes on your staking rewards. And so we checked out several crypto tax platforms, and Coinly is by far our favorite. It's super simple and user-friendly and intuitive and easy to use. And they are consistently adding automated support for blockchain after blockchain, and they already support Avalanche. So all you need to do is pop your C-chain address into a box, click import, and it pulls every single transaction in from the blockchain and labels everything. And then when you have new transactions, all you have to do is click a button that says sync, and it'll go out to the blockchain and pull in all those brand new transactions. And we have a discount link that we will leave below this video. But what's really cool about Coinly is it's free to use until you generate a report for taxes. So you can go ahead and check it out for as long as you like, and it's free. And then you can decide down the road when it's tax time if it is something that you want to pay for. One of the common questions that we see online from people who liquid stake is, now what do I do? Well, you can lend your sAVAX tokens back to the Benqi platform to earn Chi tokens, and we will link to that next tutorial in the lineup down below, so look down below for that. Hopefully we've shown you just how simple it is to liquid stake your AVAX tokens to the Benqi protocol using Metamask. If you're seeing this tutorial on social media and you got something out of it, please click that like or thumbs up button, which will cue the algorithm to show this video to more people. It can help. Certainly subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and certainly share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.